Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel and I am going to be reviewing for you the Revlon 2-in-1 brush with a blow dryer. So this is what it comes in. This is how it looks like, the box. I think this box is actually really big for what's inside. It's literally this right here. I mean, this is really big itself, but like, come on. It could have fit in a smaller box. Maybe they just had a lot of words to try to fit in and they didn't want to put it in a manual or something like that. I got this at Target. It was, I believe, $64 with tax and everything. It's not the cheapest, but it is more affordable than a lot of the ones. It is more affordable for something that actually works. I feel like the Conair one is cheaper. I haven't used it, but I've seen reviews and I just know it's not going to work for my hair. The bristles are just really thin and it's just going to make me a big frizz ball. I know the Dyson compares to this, that's what I've heard, but the Dyson's also $500 to $600, which is way out of my budget. So this is pretty good. I like it. I mean, $65 for what it does, not so bad. I was never the type of person to be able to hold a blow dryer like this, and then I just couldn't do it. It was really hard. So my hair right now could be a little more wet, but it's a little damp. Let's see how it works. And I've tried it with wet hair. It works, so hopefully it works now. So this is how big it is. It's pretty large. It has the off, cool, high, low buttons here. These, sorry if there's hair in here. Sorry if that's gross, but these are what the bristles look like. I mean, does the job. The only thing is it does get hot. I mean, it is noisy like a blow dryer. Blow dryers get hot, but when you're going like this, my hands start to burn. So I'm gonna need those, like, I don't know, those gloves to protect my hands. But yeah, let's get started. Let me show you what this thing does. You guys to hear how loud this is. So let's put this in. I'll show you what this is. Cool, low, and high. With my hair is super curly, frizzy, wavy, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna do high right now. The only thing with this, you do have to go and go over and over and over, which is kind of, it's tiring, but it's faster than using a blow dryer and a brush separately. So let's do this. Look at that, you guys. I did put a heat protectant, but look at how, like, it's so shiny. It's so sleek. Like, I'm obsessed with it because I never was able to do this before, and now I'm like, I just want to wear my hair like this all the time. Like, I don't even care for my straightener. This is just amazing. It is difficult to go in the roots, so I try to like touch the root and like let it sit there a little bit without pulling any of the hair up here. But let's continue. Just for timing, right now it is 1:24. The lighting is making me look so orange. put it on cool so it'll like stay cooled down a little. You guys, like, I have no words. It's so good. Like, I'm just so excited. I've never been able to do this in this. This is the final look, you guys. Like, ugh. You know, one of those things that you're like, I wish I invented that. This is one of them. Like, how come I didn't think of this? This whole time I was like, I can't blow dry my own hair. I can't give myself a blowout. Well, if I thought of this, I could have a long time ago, but I'm so happy that this works for my hair. It's just, look at, like, if you're someone that can't go and get a blowout all the time, but you love them, this is it. This is it for you. Be careful because I did burn myself. Don't touch it right here where it gets super hot. You can use this. Over here is cool air. I definitely need to get one of those gloves because it does get so hot, but it's a risk I'm willing to take. Look at it. I highly recommend you guys go get yourself one of these if you're like me that want to do blowouts and can't just go get them all the time. And this this was a lifesaver. The only thing is that it does suck that it burns you and it does get hot, but I don't even want to straighten my hair anymore. I just want to do this. And I don't wash my hair often anyway, since I do have a drier scalp and drier hair. But so worth it. I love it. And this took about, right now it is 1:55, so maybe a little over 30 minutes, but. And then after this, you can either go with a curling wand and it'll look so good. If you want it pinned straight, you can straighten it, or just even leave it like this. It works out. Well, I hope you guys like this video. If you like more of these, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.